Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we learn how to make Google your homepage in Google Chrome. So open your Google Chrome browser, and at the top right corner where you see the three dots right there, click on that and then go to Settings. Once you click on Settings, you will have a window like this. And here we need to go to On Startup tab. And here we need to select Open a specific page or Set of pages and select Add a new page. Now here we need to type www.google.com. That's it. I'll maximize it. So once you have typed it, click on OK. And here you will have your Google right there. Now, next time when you will open the Google browser, we'll open up the Google as home page. Now, one more added bonus. Let's say if you want to search something from anywhere in the browser or address bar, then also change the search engine. So if anything is here like Yahoo or MSN or Bing, you can change from here and select Google and set as default. Now I'll close it and I'll open Google Chrome, and this will open up the Google as my home page. So if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.